Here's your daily updates. Newsman Dennis Daily offers his take on the events of the day in another daily video blog.
Hi, and thanks again, everybody. I'd like to thank everyone who's taken the time to email me about some of my recent projects here. Who is it?
It's Bob. I brought you something. Here are your damn papers.
Thank you, Bob. I had asked Bob to
Hey, speedy delivery.
give me the circulars out of the newspaper. You know, every week we all get tons of stuff in the mail, mostly advertising for grocery stores. I tend to think that this is the only thing that's keeping the newspapers alive right now, but this week it is ham. Yes, ham. Where is it? Ham, upside down ham. There we go. Now, at our Stater Brothers, which is a California chain, we have whole bone-in ham for 75 cents a pound. At the Smart and Final store, I don't think you probably have one of those, we have the sliced ham for $1.39, and that compares with the sliced ham for $1.27 at Fresh and Easy. See, we have Smart and Final and Fresh and Easy. Now at Vons, which is a big chain out here, they have their whole ham for 88 cents, and Ralph's has it for 88 cents. Well, the bottom line here is, as a consumer reporter for many years, I reached the conclusion that if you simply shop the same place... Pardon me. Dennis here. Yes, hang on, I'll be right there. Don't hang up. If you simply shop the same place every week, it comes out in the end to be just as cheap as anywhere else, unless you find a markedly cheap store. But meanwhile, wonder how many trees are lost every week doing this. I'm Dennis Daily with your daily news update.